Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Ultimate Admiral Dreadnoughts. Where today we're having a bit of bad weather on our hands, as we find ourselves in an engagement against a small German task force. Shouldn't be too much of an issue, normally. However, with this weather, you never know. You never know, sir. To that I say, to war, my friends, with the Lion, the Royal Oak, and the HMS Iron Duke. We have engaged the enemy. At least we have spotted the enemy at very short range. Normal torpedoes authorized on the destroyers. Play a smoke screen. Torpedo away from number 1. Battleship, you may start your turn. Number 2 did not launch. Enemy spotted my torpedoes, obviously. They spotted more than I did. Light cruisers, turn, and aggressive torpedo launch authorized. You guys turn off torpedoes and turn. You fired your salvo, excellent. Come about. Come. No luck. We're turning around for a second salvo. As a second cruiser sinks. A quick turn. We should fix that. It does. Go. Turn off torpedoes. Let's go. Turn, turn. Let's assume for a second that you fire torpedoes, shall we? I have no idea what angle. Stop dodging the torpedo, should be fine. Destroyers should be somewhat fine, I think. As the enemy destroyer dies. 1,795 German kills. 8,700 and something victory points. What more do you desire? Okay. Next up, a convoy. What do we have? 11-incher, 7-incher, 7-incher, 7-incher. Put on it, 7. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's not really about the convoy. It's killing the German escorts. Oh, look at that. Such a gorgeous torpedo boat. And she's a lot bigger than you would first think, isn't she? I mean, yeah, this is big. Like serious close range. This is the moment where I want my light cruisers to have torpedoes, but alas, that is not to be. You increase to flank. We scored a good flooding hit on an enemy cruiser there. And another one there. Lay a smoke screen. Whittler is down. Admiral Shea is down. Well done. That was some good fire. Both of them died. Same causes. Heavy flooding. Stand by for enemy torpedo attack. Start dodging. Oh, hello, torpedo. Hello, torpedo 2. I don't like you. Heavy cruiser is fine. These light cruisers should be okay. You still have torpedoes. It's just a second ship that fired, so let's be careful. Boom. Dun, dun, dun. Another one bites the dust. Piercing rounds, please. Okay, job done. Now find me the convoy ships, please. Maximum speed. We're out of torpedoes in the months. Maybe due to a torpedo detonation. Wouldn't surprise me. Let's take a look. Torpedo penetration. Yeah, torpedo destroyed. That's probably why I'm fully out of torpedoes. Oh, hello, little transport. Goodbye, little transport. Whee! This must be terrifying. Being under heavy artillery fire. Being unable to hide. I mean, when you're in a village, you can, you know, go to the basement, hide in a ditch. You're a bloody big target here. No, I believe you actually were armed, weren't you? Yeah, I think you were. Yeah, you were. Doesn't help much. 1,305 Germans killed. Right. Job done, job done. Looking good. Let's hope in one turn we can actually take that colony. Am I gonna do the ambush? There is a big chance I'll lose some destroyers here. It is not the kind of engagement that I excel at, I admit. But that makes it fun, right? You shouldn't just do the thing you excel at on a channel. You, minion, what are you? Good hits. Taking down V2 here. Torpedoes inbound, evasive maneuvers, all ships. I lost track of the enemy torpedo though. But I did see it earlier. Where did it go? Did it detonate? I think it detonated. Medway come about. Wagner group. Wager group, come on! Damn it! Okay, Oxford. I Aggressive torpedo launch authorized. Torpedoes away. Lay a smoke screen, disengage. Medway, wager, turn. Inbound torpedoes. Oxford, turn. Torpedo hits, torpedo hits, torpedo hits. However, we did also have a dud, so only 2 real hits on the light cruiser. We're seeing more torpedoes inbound, so increase speed, please. You know, if you don't get, if the guns are not 100% accurate, these kind of fights are actually quite fun. The moment the AI ships start to, you know, automatically hit all the bloody time, destroyers are just no fun anymore. But in this stage, late 20s, ooh, there was a torpedo there. Nasty. Destroyers are still fun. Aggressive torpedo launch authorized from Boney. Torpedoes away. Wager turn, not away. You're doing fine. Tighten up this formation. Torpedo looking good. We might be looking at a single torpedo hit here. Perfect hit. Excellent work. Torpedo status. You're out. This entire division is out. Medway still has some. Minion still has some. However, I don't think it will be necessary anymore. Ooh. Evasive action. It's good. Close the distance. Prepare to engage. All guns ready. Fire. Daga 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 daga. Do some daga. 1-inch guns. Medway turn. Wager turn slowly as well. Right, this division is out of torpedoes. Oh well, mission accomplished. 2 light cruisers sank. And that pleases me. For I think the German fleet is down to what? 2 cruisers? 1? And 4 destroyers and 6 submarines. Hello. 1 German cruiser. And out of the 6 submarines, 1 is damaged. So let's hit the end turn and end this. 8 German transport ships. They die. You really want to fight me, German? Well, I salute you for that. Yeah, well. That was to be expected, now wasn't it? Whoops. There we go. No, Portugal, you're not getting that. Victory over Gold Coast. Ladies and gentlemen, all German colonies in Africa have been reclaimed. The Italian colonies have been reclaimed. This is, well, wunderbar. Germany, I want to offer you a peace deal. You can either accept it, or you can die. It's as simple as that, isn't it? Now, this fleet here... Let's send you back towards Liverpool. Then I have 3 battleships in this fleet. Let's dock you here for now. This fleet is allowed to go to Yarmouth. That leaves 1 more fleet there. You may go back to Port Elizabeth. There we go. The last German... 2 German cruisers? Oh. I got the Shannon here. Well, I'm gonna fight it, I guess. This is annoying. I had really hoped to get the war ended now. Sadly, it's not to be. Destroyers, 24 knots, please. Light cruisers, 24 knots, if you please. Heavy cruisers, 24 knots. Tighten up formations. Tighten up formations, and tighten up formations, please. Light cruisers, broadside. Destroyers, turn in the other direction. Then we have Shannon and Cornwall to do the major damage. Follow behind the light cruisers, please. Light cruisers, we have no torpedoes. These are just gun cruisers of the Magic class. These are upgraded gun cruisers. These are the most modern ships in terms of upgrades that I have in my fleet. Cornwall, target over here. Yeah, the cruisers are dodging. Excellent work. You guys, target. Aggressive launch authorized. Let's return a torpedo hit on one of my light cruisers. Detach, 4-6, you may run away. My torpedo attack somewhat succeeded. Caused 1 torpedo hit on the enemy. And the room sinks due to that. Destroyers increase to flank. And let's stern. The Odin is launching so many torpedoes. Bloody insane. But Odin is gone. Destroyers, turn off torpedoes, please. Let's go again. Should be fine. And torpedo hit here? Where did that come from? Damn it. Yeah, these guys carry so many torpedoes. Shannon, turn. Come on. Destroyers, we saw something in the rear, so... Oh no, wait, that's probably the torpedo. Cruisers, all guns, fire. Thank you. Okay, there's yet another enemy vessel. This feels a bit like, you know, defending against waves of enemies. That is a lot of torpedoes. The cruiser should be fine, I think. Ooh, some nasty hits on my heavy there. My light, pardon me. Shannon can't hit to save her life right now. But we managed to dodge the torpedoes. Barely. Enemies northeast. So, we killed the escorts. Not unhappy with that. And my last cruiser is far away by now. So let's ramp this up. Job done? Yes, job done. Good, good, good. The German ships have been destroyed, including these last transports. And we can end the battle. 2,304 Germans gone. These lives could have been saved to Germany. If only you decided to accept my peace deal. We didn't want much. We already have what we want. But no, you had to keep on fighting. And we saw this loading screen before. Like what? 2 episodes ago? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Hey ho, and up she rises. Hey ho, and up she rises. Hey ho, and up she rises early in the morning. Wondering, where are my escort ships? Ah, job done. This angle also shows how big these ships used to be. Just look at it. Just... Whew. and she even goes further down into the water, of course. Although this guy is fairly high up into the water, really. You would say the main waterline would be a lot higher up. Oh, come on, Germans. You're building ships like idiots and throwing them away in these kind of fights? Job done. And yeah, I'm not gonna record these small fights against a single cruiser. I mean, even if I only use half of my ships, that ship would still die. Hell, I could send all my ships away and fight them with one ship at a time, and that ship would still die. Wouldn't make it any more fun. Yeah, the Germans are beaten. They just don't realize it yet. Cameroon has been taken by the US of A. Oh, that's a new one. I can't do a peace deal with the Germans. Ah, because the ground forces are attacking now. Oh, how nice. With 60,000 men against 930,000. It seems this war is going to take longer than expected. And the Germans are back up to nine ships, but they're building 33, so you can bet your ass that there will be a lot of German ships coming out pretty damn soon. "11-inch Mark IVs, right? Yeah, 11-inch Mark IVs. Ship design. Do I still have any ships with 11-inch guns? Yeah, the Australia-class cruiser has 11-inchers. And the Argonaut class has 11-inchers as well. Gonna build 6 more Australia classes. Don't care about the finances. I'm gonna pretend I did not see that for now. And then I'm gonna upgrade this design. At least, I hope. I hope the guns still fit when they are Mark IV. Let's find out. They don't. Quite simply, they don't. At least not with .9ers. Let's drop the diameter down immediately. That at least gives me one turret that's able to fire again. Ah, this sucks. This really sucks. Let's lower the barrel length. In fact, if I make it very short. No, well, that gives me 3 turrets that are actually operational. 24-second reload time is not bad. Sadly, these turrets became too big. I mean, yeah, not even that'll... It will work. Somewhat. So, I can't upgrade the Australias, essentially. At least not for the time being. Yeah, 10-inchers do not fit here either. 9-inchers? Nope. We have to go all the way back to 8-inch guns to get them to fit again. I mean, yeah, blah, 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 blah. We were using 11-inch guns. We have to go back to 8-inch guns now. And these are Mark IIIs as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade. Exit without saving, yes. I'd rather keep the 11-inch Mark IIIs for the time being. And with that, I think comes an end to this episode. Next time, I will skip forward a bit until either I get a peace deal with the Germans, or I will be annoyed enough with the Germans that I actually try to invade Germany itself. Either way, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time, when we continue our British campaign. Until then, take care.